Adik.
In this game, one team member will be selected as the observer to observe an image being shown. The observer will then describe the image to the rest of the team members to draw. The team that draws the most similar picture to the one being shown to the observer will win the game.
Okay, start, go. But the big one is on the left. It's good. Yeah, then this is Hangul.
I thought you cannot see that they are drawing one.
Okay, done. Done, Dick. Done.
Yeah, to me. Now, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wojo.
Like a ball. Yeah.
Come. Boris, we got designer. 3, 2, 1, start.
And then the bottom one is big one. No.
Okay, Bryan, okay. Follow by
Time's up. Okay, time up.
In this activity, one team member will observe an image and describe the image, while other team members will draw the image according to the description given by the observer. This activity trains the listening skills of those drawing and the communication skills of the observer. In order to complete a drawing that is similar to the image being shown to the observer, both parties have to clearly understand one another. The same goes in our workplace. We must clearly deliver our messages and fully understand the instructions being given to us in order to prevent any miscommunication or confusion. Effective communication is key to an effective team. We have 2 more episodes to go, so stay tuned for more.